Welcome to Lazy Posy. A while back I upgraded from my beloved GH5 camera to the G9 Mark II. And ever since then I thought that the external microphones sounded really bad and felt the need to upgrade. Until I compared it with the GH5. It turns out a noise test is totally inconclusive, but something was strange with the sound. Ironically, this is still inconclusive if you don't know what it's supposed to sound like. I send a tone sweep that sounds like this to the mini jack input of the GH5, and the frequency in the resulting video file is flat, as it should be. Then I did the same with the G9II, and this was the result. That explains why all audio recorded with that mini jack sounds like crap. At 4 different frequencies right within the vocal range, the sound just drops dead. You cannot even correct that, it's gone. I couldn't find anything about this on the internet, but I'm quite sure all G9IIs do this. Now I know the G9II officially is a photo camera, but I've never seen any device do something like this. And the internal microphones also sound horrible, as you can hear right now. Sorry. And I have the strong tendency to believe they did this on purpose. I'll get to that later on in the video. There is only one way to record decent sound into the camera, and that's not with this old DMW XLR1 adapter, because that is terribly noisy, but with the version 2, which with the latest firmware now also works on the G9II. Here's a comparison with an external recorder, where we can hear a hum from some machine outside. It still has noise, but at an acceptable level, as demonstrated in these test recordings. Test! Oh. Sorry. So if you want to record sound with the G9II, you have to buy the version 2 of that adapter, which is almost double the price of the old one. And also it makes it much more clunky, of course. So no vlogging with this camera. Hello. So here I am in my man cave. Yeah, no vlogging at all in my case. This adapter also has a mini jack input, and that has a flat response as well. Kind of. So, the result of all this is that I have a strong suspicion that they made it sound bad on purpose, so you buy more of their gear or a new camera sooner. They didn't do that with the GH5. It was so good, I kept using it for many years. Why I kept the G9II you can see in an earlier video. Let's end this video with another audio test.
Met propere preamplificatie zou de huidige dialoog zeer aardig te horen moeten zijn, zonder enige waarneembare vorm van ruis. Mijn vrees is dat dit wel het geval zal zijn. Laten wij een instelling wijzigen. Ik weet niet of dit tijdens de opname kan, daar gaan we nu achter komen. +20, jawel, voor beide kanalen. Dat is dan nu gebeurd. Dit ziet er inderdaad uit als een behoorlijk hard signaal. Ik hoef dan nu inderdaad niet meer zacht te praten. Oh, sorry, dit was misschien wat hard, maar er zijn limiters en daarmee wordt het probleem dat het overstuurd is dan dus niet, hè? Als het goed is, hè? Nou, dan is deze testopname denk ik wel gevoltooid. Dag.